What's popping out? It's your girl BHARBBIIEE, and I'm back again with another video. So basically, I just finna do my toes from the Polygel clip. I'm finna go ahead and do my nails because I got places to be and stuff. So today I'm gonna be using this nail kit right here. The mark out this. Here is everything in here. With everything in here, I already took some of the stuff out. I took the stuff out because I'm gonna use it. But yeah, here my fingers before it's matte oily. So I just finished doing my toes. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so basically I'm pushing my cuticles back. Yes, that's what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna cut off the excess skin, like the dead skin, with my cuticle cutters. And I just gonna go in and do it on every single finger so I don't have to do it separately. Okay, while I'm doing this, let me tell y'all something that happened. So I posted myself looking real cute with my braids. This was like after I took my braids out. I posted myself with my braids still in. So I posted myself, people swiping out highlights, and then somebody DM me, when are you taking your braids out? And I thought it was one of my friends. So I sent them a video of me shaking my hair. And my face looked real goofy in it. And then come to find out, so hours later, the friend that I thought that I sent a message texted me and sent me heart eyes on my story. I'm like, wait, that wasn't her. So I go back and I click on the person. I saw who it was and I was like, oh my freaking gosh, like I don't even talk to this girl like that. I just sent her a whole picture of me looking like that. Like, I posted on my spam afterwards, but bro, like I don't even know her and I sent her a video like that. Like, what's going on? But at least she hyped me up and she wasn't like being like weird or nothing. So I guess that's good. But bro, y'all don't understand how I felt when I realized that was not the same person. If you watch this story, if you watch this video, girl, I love you. I'm not being rude though. Y'all, I'm like so sorry for not being in a damn camera. Cause like I'm not even in the frame. Like it looked like I'm putting my fingers instead of doing my nails. But don't worry, next time I'll be putting the camera. I'll set it up to fix it that way. And well, basically what I'm doing is just putting polygel on my fingernails. Also, after every V line I made or oval like shape, I on the sides where I'm gonna put a glitter, I put clear polygel. So it's not like it's just nothing there. Cause when am I gonna put a glitter on? So I just put the polygel, the clear one. Alright, so I'm not sure if it's choppy in this clip, but basically what I'm doing, I'm like forming my nail, the clear polygel on top. And I'm still not in the frame. That is so ghetto. Okay. Alright, so I'm finally settling on my middle finger and my ring finger. So basically what I'm doing is I put the first bead on the bottom so I can shape it to the top, like going off forward. And then on my second bead, I just do my apex. And yeah, basically, that's what I do. Here's where I'm doing the apex on my middle finger. Gonna show my nails a little bit looking cute. Alright, so I'm gonna go start on my thumb on my other hand basically and just do everything that I did on my left hand on my right. Um, I think I'm done doing my other hand. I'm not sure, but I'm filing right now, so I'm not really in the frame. But yeah, just going at it. Oh, yeah, I did do on my nails. Okay, per. So here I got my electric nail file, nail drill, and I'm just filing my nails, secure my cuticles, and everything good like that. All right, here I'm taking the stickers and I'm putting them on my middle finger, my ring finger, as y'all can see. I struggled taking them off, but it's good. And I put a base coat before I put the stickers on, and then after that I put top coat over it to secure it. Okay, so y'all, I finished putting the gems. I mean, not the gems, the stickers on my fingers, on my nails, and they're really cute. How I like them and stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put top coat on my, like where the glitter's not going, so I can cure that. Y'all, so here my nails with the top coat on. They look so good, but I ain't put the glitter on yet. So yeah, I'm so proud of myself. Okay, let me stop playing around and put it on. Oop. Right now I'm applying a base coat where the clear polygel is, and then I put my finger in the glitter and I cover it all over on the sides and stuff, and I have to under me to catch all the like glitter and stuff. Y'all, I don't know. I don't have no hand sanitizer. I mean, alcohol. So I'm just gonna use hand sanitizer to get the glitter off. This is so good, though. Oh, I mean, I could have been. Ooh, girl. I'm gonna do this one. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. I'm debating if I should put top coat or not. Like, should I just leave it like this for the texture, or should I like put like top coat on it for the like the glossy effect? You feel me? Okay, I think it's cure by now. Tap on to make sure. It's like that much. Oh, there we go. I finally finished my nails. It's like I think like 5:30 or something. But girl, my nails was so freaking cute, bro. My toes too. I'm gonna show y'all. But bro, look at this mess over. Let me show y'all. Bro, look at this mess. Like, I was really dedicated to do my nails. And I don't have a nail tech like desk or anything like that because like, yeah, I don't. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. God very much just love you and have a blessed day. And stay tuned for me doing my nails more on this channel. Period. Let me stop. God, did my nails, don't know how to act, but yeah. I did it.